Does your iPhone save photos in HEIC format? Because of this, it becomes more difficult to transfer photos to others. I will tell you how to convert a photo to JPEG. Watch to the end, and I will share a useful tip on how to automate the process in the future. Firstly, let's open up Photos and choose photo which we would like to convert to different format. Now I want you to click this little share icon and choose to copy this photo. After that, find and open Files app. Then tap Browse to be able to view different locations and choose where you would like to store this photo. It doesn't matter what you pick, just choose something and then press and hold any empty spot on the screen till you see this list of options, and then click Paste. After that, this item will appear in the Files app. So now, tap on it to open. Click this little share button again. Then just scroll down and choose option Save Image. And now let's check the result. I'm gonna open my photos. Tap on this new photo, swipe it up to view details, and now it is in the JPEG format. So, to avoid doing this manually in the future, consider using automation through the Shortcuts app, which looks like that, which allows you to create a command to quickly convert a photo to JPEG format. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.